Hi, my name is Wang Shashai and my group member is Anon B. Mohammed. So my presentation title is Handwriting Recognized on Form Documentation Use Convolution Neural Networks and the Support Vector Machine. So we call it SUM. So here is our scene structure with SUM. So here has firstly the scene is to abstract the features and the SUM to calculate the error. So it's like we get the error, then we use gradient descent to correct the weights and the bias. So we'll go to next. So here is the steps. So firstly, when we have the handwriting, then we go to the get ROI. So ROI we call is region of interest. So then we don't want the interest part. We only want the character part. So we use ROI to separate the interest part and the uninterest part. So after processing, we will get segmentation. We call CCL. So then we get the individual character. After we get the individual character, because the size and this size is big, or we want process faster, so we will resize the character image. So we'll make it smaller. After padding and resize, so we will cross to CA model. So we'll abstract the features. Before the feature abstract, the OR is preparing it to process the image. After the get the individual character, and we will go through the feature abstraction. So we call CA model. Then we get 192 features. After we get 192 features, we will use a SUM model to calculate the error. After we know the how error it is, then we use gradient descent to correct the weights and bias. Then we get the train model.
Hello, now I'm going to talk about the train and testing after we got the data from lots of images such as O, L, G, 3, O, J, I, M, and different people have different kind of handwriting. So we need to train the data using the ANN, artificial neural network, and then after that we use the 192 features, and then we use the at the end of the training we use the support vector machine to do the linear regression and some merging and some gutter. From there we can calculate the accuracy of the every single letter. So is the method used by the developer how to increase the accuracy. So we can see that most of the accuracy is above 80%, and most of the method using the combinational of CNN or ANN and also SVM. So this is for the numeral and the uppercase and lowercase and numeral plus uppercase. So we can see that the CNN and SVML2 have lots most accuracy among all the methods. So we can say that NN is useful for the handwriting recognition, as we can see the today's mobile phone can detect our own handwriting and translate it into the digital form of writing. So that's it. Thank you very much.